This is Alex with Blue Star. I am going to walk you through this tenant information spreadsheet, also called a tenant detail log. It's available on my website. It's pretty simple, so it should be pretty quick. And it's also available in bundles if you are a landlord or in real estate and need more information than just this. Like I said, it's available in a bundle with other items. All right, here we go. Let's add some made up people. This person lives at there. This person lives at apartment 3. Their name is Alex. If you ever need to expand a column, you always go up there and just double click. Makes life easy. Preferred, let's say, text. Why not? No other persons living there. If there was, you could put, and then same thing. You're just going to go up here, see where it gets that line with like 2 arrows, and then you just double click where you want to be bigger. Lease start date. That would put my lease date there if it's a 1-year lease. And pet deposit. You can leave it blank if you don't do a pet deposit. I'm going to have a dog, so I'm going to put a pet deposit down. Renewing, unknown. And then, put whatever comment you want there. That's basically it. It's pretty simple. Now you just have 4 people in this example, but let's say you had 100. You could go and it's set so you can filter. Or if you want to, see just the people that live at 1, 2, 3, 4 Main. There you go. Pretty simple. That's it. The link to this will be in the description. Thanks.